G'day guys, and welcome aboard another episode Down Under Truckie on this 8-wheeler twin steer waste management front lift loader truck. At the moment I'm driving, I have a heavy rigid license. It is the highest class of license I can have. I just got it, so I have to wait 1 year to fulfill my target and objective to drive the biggest and meanest trucks out there, the famous road trains in Down Under, 4, 5, 6 trailers. So I have to wait 1 year to get my multi-combination license. Meantime, driving this beautiful and sophisticated truck, recording again night time. I just changed a bit of the setting of the camera, a bit of lower resolution but wider frame, I guess that's how I should say. I don't know. Anyway, hopefully you enjoy, and yeah, let's crack on. Let's go. Excuse me for the temporary view. Setting up my head mount. Hopefully, guys, you have a good view as I am having. Beautiful night, clear skies here in Queensland, Down Under. Alright, lights off, this goes off, so heading to the city centre, Brisbane city centre, Queensland, east coast of Down Under, Australia. Right on. Here we go. Inserting the coordinates on the GPS. So I just washed the truck from head to toes, basically. Nice and smells good both inside and out. I like having clean and well maintained vehicles, whether it's a car, motorbike, or this beautiful truck. Rock and roll. Bit of alarms here. Let's do this then. Sometimes the sensors, they get wet. Reset everything. Just cut off the hydraulics and made sure first that the back door was closed, so I activated the hydraulics and used this joystick to push down and make sure the locks, the mechanical locks and hydraulic locks are in place correctly. And yeah, seems like it worked. No more alarm. Might be that the sensor got wet while I was washing, so it gets a bit crazy. So this side stick here, or joystick, whatever you want to call it, has multiple functions, depends of what input I select on the system's screen. Now we have the camera, the back camera, active while we're driving. So there is offload option, there is nominal operation mode to offload the beans when I collect them with the forks in front of me. Multiple systems, quite sophisticated. So what I just done, I put it in offload mode. And I have to be careful with that because right now we're empty, but if we were full of trash and rubbish in the cargo compartment, and by mistake I select offload option and I release the door, well, with the amount of pressure in there, because the compactor compacts all the waste, the bag, I wouldn't be able, the system wouldn't be able to close the door anymore. So it would be a big mess to clean up. Literally we'll have to call like a caterpillar, a bulldozer to clean up everything. Very annoying. Company wouldn't be happy about that. So but now I done it because I was empty, so no risk. And anyway, I was just confirming that the door was closed, and further lock the locks. To the city center, full speed. Well, whatever the speed limit allows. Cruising speed 80 km an hour. Record should be about 47 miles an hour for our mates in around the world who use miles an hour.